Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we'll focus on one-way data binding and we'll pick our first uh, type, that is interpolation. We'll see some examples on interpolation. So one-way data binding, we are seeing component to view. Like whatever changes we make in component will be reflected onto the view. So let's see some examples. So I have some code written. I'll explain you what it is and we'll execute this as well. So basically I have taken a title which is designed to Hello World app. It's a string and I have a object user has name and age and a message welcome. And also I have a method and this you already know, this is a constructor and engineer. Don't think of this. I'll just ignore. Uh, just see I have a method get greeting and I'm returning this dot message is nothing but welcome to string I've concatenated, and I'm saying this dot username user dot name this dot user dot name. So always note that I have been using this because whenever we try to access a property from this class we say this, which refers to this class, okay, current class. So this dot title, this dot user, this dot message. So you need to access using this keyword. And okay, we'll see first. The first scenario is what we are displaying the title using string interpolation. So we have a string called title is assigned to Hello World app. So we are displaying this title on the screen using flower braces. This is called string interpolation. We'll see what it does. We'll comment the other. We'll comment. Let us comment the other things. Or leave it. I'll give some space. So as you can see, this is the title and I'm displaying Hello World app, right? So this is the title. In H1 I have displayed the title, and the next one is name. This is accessing object property. Which is object? User is our object. Inside that I'm accessing the name. See, it's within the interpolation, within the flower braces, I'm using user.name, and that is being displayed over here. This is the object property, right? Name. And then this the third thing is expression. How we write an expression using string interpolation. Age next year. So this is doing some computation, calculating some value. Like I have user.age, user object dot age is 27, right? 27 plus 1, 28. So what it should display here as 28. So it is doing some calculation, right? And then you have function call. So you can have function call within flower braces and say get greeting. It calls this method and it returns this whatever you have given. This dot message welcome to this dot user dot name mark. So that is what is being displayed. Welcome to mark. Okay. So this is how string interpolation works. Interpolation works basically for string, object, expression, function call. Just go through this example. It is very simple. I'm displaying the title, I'm displaying the object property value, and I'm just concatenating some string, and then I'm doing a function call basically to display some string. Okay, so this is quite easy. Just go through. We'll see what is property binding in the next video. Thank you.